Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you so much for being here or watching this whenever you do. I'm excited as always to be here with you. Today we're going to talk about what to do if you lose your will. Probably happens all the time, and there is a solution. Before I get to that though, if you have estate planning questions, if you have probate questions, if you need estate planning help, if you need probate help, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. All right. So the reason I wanted to answer this question is because I had a client in my office today that had this exact thing happen to them. They did their estate documents a couple of years ago. I guess they were just looking around for them and they could not find them. Thankfully, we had electronic copies of them because we have electronic copies of basically everything. So we were able to supply those to the client, but they wanted like fresh originals. So they wanted to have the originals in their possession. This can be important if you have a will. The original of the will is much more likely to be accepted by the court if you need to go to probate. This is also very important if you have kids and the guardianship designations are inside of your will. You really want to make sure that you have the original for the court. If you do not, you can get a copy admitted to the court, a copy of your will admitted to the court, but you've got to prove or demonstrate to the court that it was unlikely that you meant to revoke your will or destroy your will or otherwise no longer recognize the terms of that will as valid. That can be hard to do sometimes. It can be expensive. So if you know you don't have the original of your will, you probably want to figure that out. The solution that we came to that I suggested that was simple was we just printed out a brand new will and signed it. So all that does is revoke the old wills, puts the new will into place. Bada bing, bada boom. Simple solution, relatively cheap. I think it cost $50 is what I charged because it's really just the time to get in there and sign everything, print out everything, and not trying to crush my clients with needless fees for no reason. Sometimes it's okay to do the right thing. But anyway, if you have lost your will, don't wait to get a new one, especially if the contents of the will are the same as you want currently. Just go print out a new will, execute that new will, and you're back in business. All right, shorty but a goodie hopefully today. I know this is something that happens to people from time to time, so that's how you take care of it. If by the way, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. If you have estate planning or probate questions and you want them answered for free over the phone or in person, please go to estatemeeting.com and pick a time, get on my calendar. I would love to talk to you, learn about you and your family, what you've got going on. estatemeeting.com. All right, that is it for me for today. Thank you so much for your time. As always, really appreciate it. Hope this helps. And I'll be here again tomorrow to share some more interesting estate planning and probate strategies, tips, thoughts, philosophies, things not to do, whatever I can come up with. All right, that is it. See ya.